Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, also known as Mindsetandmascara, and over here we love color, all things color. Not very colorful today, it's more neutral because we are doing the Untamed collection. Okay, let me take the brush out of here. This is what it looks like. This is not really a Maria palette. Why I got it, I do not know. Okay. I don't know why I do this to myself. But I'm going to try to go on a no-buy for a little while. So hopefully I will get some use out of some of the other palettes that I have. Out of my insane amount of palettes that I have. So this is the look that I created out of it. It did inspire me. So, I mean, that's a good thing. And this collection also has liquid lip, 3 glosses, and this is the first time trying the Sigma gloss formula. I haven't tried it before. And then of course the liquid lipstick in Dapper. This is not the first time I've tried their liquid lipstick. I actually have tried Belladonna, which is a deep red, and it's gorgeous and I love it, and I really love their formula. So yeah, that's the collection. And if you want to see this look and how I got it and also see some swatches, then let's get started. I tried doing the black, not realizing that black was very pigmented. Usually when there's black in the palettes, there's not as pigmented, so I'm able to do more of a smoky eye with them. I mean, starting out with the black, but not in this one. It's kind of very pigmented. So, all right. So let me take this brush out. You get a brush. It is the E54 medium sweeper brush and the E38 diffused crease. I actually have both of these brushes. They're really good. But I am going to use Camouflage first, and then I'm going to dust it out with either Loyal or Boho. I haven't decided which one I want to use yet. I may use both. And then we're going to deepen it up with Wicked. And then we're going to add these two in the lid. Just letting you know what I'm doing. So I started out with black last time. That ain't happening. Not with this look. Or not look, but this palette. Okay. So we're going to grab Camouflage. There we go. Yeah. I don't know why it surprised me that that was so pigmented, but it shouldn't have. Okay, now I'm going to take this blending brush. See, that looks almost black. It's a really pretty khaki green though. We're going to do Boho and then Loyal. Boho is just kind of a mustardy green. Not green, but a brown. mustard color. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Loyal, but I'm gonna get a clean brush and I'm gonna use an E27. I'm just gonna buff that in. It's a really good blend. Okay, now we are going to take the black and just a little bit of the black because it is very, very pigmented, and add some depth in here. And then blend that out. And I'm going to take this from Blender. It is an E44 Sigma. And just blend all that out. Alright. Now we're going to take Dauntless, which is shimmer in the palette, and put that on here, the outer corner. I didn't do a cut crease, I'm just doing kind of a blended cut crease. You'll know I had to use a blue in the palette. This is a more neutral, but most of their palettes are more neutral. This caught my eye because it's more of a grungy palette. Okay, now we're going to top that with Fierce. It's pretty. I don't know if it quite goes with it, but it's in the palette, so it goes with it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Worker 1 and Sonia G, big fluffy brush, and I'm going to just buff out the crease. Yeah, that needs glitter. Alright, now we're going to take this E40 or this J42 brush and put Spirit all over the brow bone. This is how I used to blend everything together, just to make sure that it blended, and I just keep doing it because I like the way that it looks. Just add something to the look. All right, I'm gonna go and do this other eye, my base, all that stuff, and then I will be right back. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I was on the phone with my best friend, and so it just kept adding stuff, but I ended up with a lot of glitter, and I ended up topping it with glitter just to make it more me, okay? So we have liquid lipstick, 3 lip glosses. I will swatch the lip glosses, but I think I'm going to use the red one. Yeah, that should look good today. I'm going to use the red one. Oh, they're all packaged. Did not realize that. So this one, okay, these two. That's pretty. This is Dazzling. There we go. There we go. That's Dazzling. I had to lower it. I'll raise it back up. And then we have Passionate. Love glosses like this. Not only do they have glitter, but they have a little, it's almost metallic-y. Okay, and then the last one, which is Heartfelt, and this is the one that I'm going to use. Because you know me and reds. There we go. All right. I'm going to line my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Shot Clock. I always get this one uneven, and I don't know how. Okay. And then liquid lipstick in Dapper. I only have sorry, it's my kid's phone. I only have one liquid lipstick. From Sigma, and that's in Belladonna. So I'm going to try other ones. I do like the formula. It's very moussey. And it doesn't dry my lips out, which is something I really, really love. Okay. Is this Heartfelt? I'm going to say yeah, because I'm... Okay. Alright. I like that color. I do. Okay. I don't know why I put the palette back in the box, but okay. Okay. Alright, so my opinion on the palette. You know me. I don't know why I do this to myself. I see things and I fall in love with the like grungy colors, like 3 or 4 colors, and then I'm disappointed with the palette. Okay, it's a neutral palette, a grungy neutral palette with a pop of blue. The black is awesome. I absolutely love this black. The blue's pretty. My favorite colors, of course, are these right here. Now, let me show you something. And this is why I'm going on a no-buy for a little while. I'll still be popping out videos, but they'll be different. They won't be review videos. I think I have one or 2 more palettes that I have to review, and then I'm done. There are a lot of the shades in this palette are in this palette. So, and I've had this one for a while. And I haven't even touched this one. That one, I haven't even used that one. That's crazy. There's a lot of the colors in here are in here. Granted, there are some different special colors in here. So, I mean, I'm not unhappy that I bought this palette, but the thing is when I was doing this look, I so badly wanted to grab a shimmer out of a different palette or grab glitter from another, from my book of glitters. So for me, this isn't a palette that I would use on its own. I would use it together with something else, okay? If you're watching me, obviously you like color. So for this, I wouldn't buy this if you love color. If you love these tones, go ahead. This is a great palette. It's not bad by any means. This is just not something that I would gravitate towards and use solely just this palette. I mean, I don't in the first place. I don't solely use this palette or one palette in the first place, but I wouldn't solely use this. So that being said, that is it for this video. Anyway, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, give it a subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my little growing family. And until next time, love you guys.